What's going on, SWILL gang? Welcome back. All right, so we're gonna do things just a little bit different than we normally do. All right, so we're gonna do an unboxing, but we're gonna do a little bit different here, guys. We're gonna unbox it and we're gonna show you guys the setup for it. All right, so today we're gonna be unboxing an apps to go CD car mount. Okay, now some of the guys, if you have like an older car, even some of the newer cars still have them, because I have a newer car. It's a 2020, but it's still good. They have CD players. Some of them don't even come with CD players anymore, but these ones do. Now, the benefits of using these CD player mounts is, one, if you're not using the CD player, it has its use. Two, a lot of these clips, a lot of the mounts they have are for your vent clips, and I hate those. Those are not very good. All right, so those get like in the way for the most part, and you could damage the air conditioning, the vent clips. And another thing about that, if you do have those things covered up, and I'm gonna show you guys, the options here, what I'm talking about, you're gonna block your air, so you won't be able to get the air in. Okay, so we got the mount right here. It's a good size. I'm gonna show you guys what I have, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got, the new stuff. All right, so it comes with the mag rings. Now this one right here is not mag safe, or not mag safe, but the mag recharging thing. It doesn't recharge or anything like that, or charge your phone. So it comes with the ring. It's got a little card before you activate your warranty thing on here. And then it's got the actual magnet itself. So you're going to attach this to the deal. We got the instructions here. So MagSafe. Well, it is MagSafe, but it doesn't charge. That's why we didn't get the one that charges. We should have got the one that charges, but it's okay. Future upgrades, we could do that. And we got the part that goes into the actual CD player itself. Now, the way that it works, guys, is you're going to put these in. And you can do it either way. It doesn't matter if you put it up like this or you put it down like this. Matter of fact, let's see what they say for the instructions. Instructions say up. Okay, so we'll put it up. So they're going like this for the most part. And then when you tighten it up, what it does, it kind of brings this part up and it tightens it and it holds it in place. So that's going to be the best part. And you're going to attach this to this, just like this. Actually, let's loosen it up. So it'll go in a lot better. So that's it. And you can swivel it around and move it around and things like that. And I'll show you guys what I got going on once we get that assembly part done. So that's pretty much what it's going to do. Holds it in place like that. Let's take this part off. And this is the phone. And mine is it's not a good magnet. It's not the best magnet, but that's the general idea. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up. This is the one I have now, and I just put my phone inside here, and it works out as well. It's the same brand, so I'm just kind of one-handing. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but you can just, I use this, but it takes up the whole entire space. Now, also, we have a vent mount right here. So that's what we usually use. Now, what happens is I can put this on anyway, like that, or I can put it on like that, and that's how that'll go. And the thing is, it blocks all of your air, so you're not getting no air blow through here. So that's the one thing that I don't like about that, but it still is very effective. It doesn't bother or anything. That's a license right there. I'll try to put that in the description there for you guys, so you guys can order one just like that. But the way this one works, I got this one upside down. Doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter which way you put it. I just dropped it on the floor. It's all good. But this one says mounted up like this. This should save me some space. It's going to sit in place just like so. And then we'll just torque this down a little bit. Torque it down just enough. Holds it into place. And then we should have no problems. All right, so that's what the phone's looking like. It's going to stay in place just like so. We can turn it around this way, and it'll stay in place just like that too. So it works out. It's a win-win, my friends. Turn it however way I want to turn it, and it sticks right back in place. So I like that. That's pretty cool. If you guys find this video informative, make sure you guys drop that like. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell another friend about the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.